Monday morning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No idea what's on the books for us today yet, but I do know that I've got to be home tomorrow night because Brit's Christmas Christmas banquet for her work is tomorrow night, which is odd that a business would have their Christmas dinner or whatever on a weeknight, right? It starts at something like 8 o'clock. And, you know, most people like me have got to be in bed by 9:30, so it'll be a late night tomorrow night. I'm just confused as why it would be on a Tuesday. But I got to be home for tomorrow night, so I won't be going far tonight. So we'll see what they have for us. Maybe an overnight, back tomorrow. City work, I have no idea. I'll have to go into work to find out. All right, let's see if she starts. It's not that cold this morning, so I'm pretty sure she should start just fine. Okay. Let those glow plugs warm up a little bit. Wait for the clicking to stop. All right, you guys ready? Moment of truth. Oh yeah, no problem. No problem. All right, let's get settled in here, Diesel. Why's my window open? Has that been open all weekend? Or did I just open that now? I can't remember. I don't know. Let's get settled in here. Okay, got my shoes off. Because you don't walk in my truck with your shoes on. Just letting you know. You want to come inside my truck, you take your shoes off. Just like coming inside the house. Who wears their shoes in the house? You know? I hear that's an American thing to do. What's up with that? Who wears their shoes inside the house? There we go. I'm gonna set up my bed here right now, get this all done, get everything all sort of put in its spot, turn the fridge on here. And we don't have any directions yet. Still waiting to be dispatched. So they know I have to be home tomorrow night, so I don't know if I'm going out overnight tonight or not, but guess we'll figure it out. And just so you know, once again, I am not lazy. I just really enjoy doing nothing. All right, everything is decently organized here now. The bed is made. All my stuff is sort of put away there for now. Diesel's got his little corner there that he can sleep in. But he's probably gonna sit here and soak up the sun a little bit, right? Got everything ready to go. Got the blanket on the floor here. My phone charger should be up there. And there we go. Everything's ready to go, Diesel. Now all we need is direction. Let's go back inside and see if they got anything for us. I'll leave you guys in here. Right here in your little position. All right? You wait here. I'll be right back. All right, we have our orders. We are going to Valley City, North Dakota, picking up a load and bringing it back here. So 4.5 hours of driving down there, 4.5 hours back. I'm just in our yard right now. I gotta go pick up the flatbed trailer that I'm gonna be pulling down there, taking an empty down there, and obviously taking a loaded trailer back. Valley City is where we stopped that one, what was it, a couple of weeks ago? And we were waiting for a load out of there. It turns out they didn't have a load at that time. They have a load for us today. They have 2 waiting there for us, and I'm gonna take one of them. I need trailer 501. 501, where are you? These are step decks. We're looking for a flatbed. I'm just in the empty yard here right now. There it is, 501. Oh, it's got tarps and junk on it. Oh. Oh. That was nailed down. One second, look at this. It's got tarps on the back and wood across it. I wonder if that wood is nailed down or if it's just on there. Let's go check it out. Oh, it is nailed down. Nice. Oh, shoot. And remember I lost my crowbar a couple weeks ago? I still haven't replaced it. Should have replaced it by now, truck of Josh. So I'm gonna have to hook onto this trailer, bring it to the shop, and borrow a crowbar. And when they ask where's mine, I'm gonna have to tell them, well, I lost it like 2 months ago and still haven't replaced it. All right, we're on the way. I had to grab a different trailer. So that wood on there didn't make much of a difference for me now. But I do need to replace that crowbar. Jeez. That trailer had an air leak. When I was doing my pre-trip on it, there was a big air leak underneath it. So I reported it to the shop, and I got assigned a different trailer. And now we're on our way down to North Dakota, Valley City. I believe there's some farm equipment there waiting for us. Someone in Canada wants some good old American farm equipment. Once again, I'm the man for the job. All right, we made it down to Fargo here. Headed south. We're about to turn westbound onto Interstate 94.
7 kilometers. Take exit 63B on right to I-94 east, then keep right.
East, but we're going west. Okay, so we got to turn east to go west. I get it. All right. Been a nice day so far. Nothing to report. Beautiful day, actually. It's 0 degrees Celsius right now, 32 Fahrenheit. It's a beautiful day to be a truck driver here in North Dakota. Just coming into Valley City, North Dakota here. Nice, beautiful terrain here. A little bit different than the flat prairie plains that I come from. This isn't even that far away. This is a nice scenic little area here. So the time is 4 o'clock. I'm just around the corner from the pickup, the shipper. I'm gonna go grab that. Hopefully it won't take me too long to tie it down. And then we're bringing it back to the yard, about 4.5 hours back home. Well guys, it's been a long day already. Time to shut her down here. Didn't quite make it back to Canada. Stopping at the last rest area before Canada. As far as we can get. Got 2 minutes left on my e-log right now. 2 minutes. Yikes.
Drive 155 kilometers.
Oh, no, no, no. How about we just stop here for the night, Mandy? How about that? I've got to stop my e-log before it puts me in a violation. First, I got to park straight. Go into post-trip. 1 minute remaining. Woo! Look at this. So I haven't shown you the load yet. There it is. It was a little bit more detailed and took me a lot longer than I wanted it to. It's got all this small stuff down here. I'll show you it again tomorrow morning when there's more sunlight. It was my first time hauling this specific type of machinery, so I had to figure out how to tie it and chain it down properly and come up with my own little system for everything, make sure that it doesn't budge, and so far it's been very good. All the chains have stayed tight. This is going up to Portage la Prairie, Manitoba. I believe they want it there on Monday, so I won't be delivering it right away, but we're gonna take it up there. This side's got a little bit better light. See that there? So it's a combination of chains and straps that I've used, and it looks like everything is working just like I wanted it to. Hasn't budged. So we're about a half hour from the border. Almost made it. Almost made it. We'll do the rest tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for joining me today, guys. Tomorrow's a new day. I make a new video every single day. If you want to follow along, I invite you to subscribe if you'd like. Hit the little bell beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified every time I upload a vlog. It's sort of at different times every day. And sometimes we do live vlogs as well. If you want to be a part of those, you'll want to be a part of the notifications. I'll see you tomorrow.